Hello, I'm Liz Lumley of Finextra, and we're here at the SAP Financial Services Forum, and today I'm speaking to Falk Rieker of SAP. Now, the theme of this event is building the foundations for digital change, and of course, digital change and digital banking is a really hot topic right at the moment. What should banks be thinking about?
The key, one of the questions I get often is how important is digital and a digital strategy for retail banks? And I think the answer is quite simple. If you don't have a digital strategy, if you are not successful with your digital strategy, you will have a very hard time to compete in retail banking in the future. So digital strategy, digital banking is absolutely key going forward.
I'm glad you mentioned strategy, but I wanted to talk a bit about technology. You know, how can technology kind of drive some of those changes banks need to do?
Yeah, when you think about that little device here, yeah,
everyone has one,
which drove the adoption of the usage of digital banking and any kind of communication on these devices, I think it totally changed the game. We are now at the point where we consume every piece of information, every activity via mobile devices. And coming back to your question, how important is how important is technology to drive this digital change? Is absolutely vital. Yeah, it's the key enabler to have a digital banking strategy in place.
So to continue the conversation about technology, I mean, how can cloud be used to facilitate some of these changes?
Cloud is important to accelerate the transformation. So being able to consume new solutions, apps via the cloud will be a key advantage for banks to accelerate the transformation process.
I think outside of sort of digital change and technology, the core to a lot of these strategies is the customer. So in terms of customer analytics, what advances are you seeing for this financial services industry to use that a bit better?
Now that's a very interesting aspect. Yeah. So unlike in the old days where you knew exactly your customers by name, by face, you lived in the same area, they came into your branch. Now we're in a digital environment. Yeah, and a lot of your customers you have never seen. Yeah? You don't know exactly what they are doing, yeah? Right away from just living in a different area. Everything is digital, so you need to use analytics to find out more about your customers. So key to be successful is not only having the digital technology in place, but serving the customers in a personalized way. And therefore analytics are very important.